Are you looking to teach yourself ukulele or broaden your musical knowledge and skills while feeling supported? Well, I'm so glad that you're here, because here at Bree Music Tutorials, I'm here to help guide you through this beautiful ukulele journey. I'm Bree, your qualified music teacher, with experience teaching all ages and stages, from conferences to classrooms. My greatest passions in life are music, teaching and learning. This channel has been a dream in the making for some time, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. I believe music is for everyone, and I want you to know that I have your back. I recognise that every learner is unique. I aim to create a space for you where you not only feel supported but empowered to make and learn music your way. And I hope that this musical experience will help enrich your life, as it has mine. I am so excited to create this beautiful community of learners. I want to help you and I want to hear from you. So come join me by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to reach out and introduce yourself or share your learning journey on any of my videos. Much love, and I'm so thrilled that you're here to join me on this ukulele journey. And thank you for remembering to subscribe. Come back and check this space each week for new lessons and content.